How to deposit or withdraw crypto on Bitget Wallet application. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bitget, and in this video I'll guide you on how you can deposit or withdraw crypto using the Bitget Wallet application. Well, first things first, you can go ahead and open up the wallet and make sure you're logged into your account. Now you also have to make sure that you have already completed the identity verification before trading. Once you go ahead and complete the verification, it'll give you the option to deposit, as you can see, and then you can go ahead and start trading as well. Well, unfortunately, before you verify, you want to get the option to deposit. You can see the deposit option right here. Tap on deposit, and then here you can go ahead and deposit crypto. However, if you want to deposit, so you can tap on deposit, tap on deposit or add funds to your crypto account, then choose the token, the crypto that you would like to deposit, right? Once you choose the crypto there that you wish to deposit, you will get the ID, the address. Now in order to get the ID, the address, the deposit address for your wallet, you'll have to verify your identity. Similarly, if you want to send crypto, you'll get the option that says send crypto. Now here I don't have the option because of verification, but you'll get send crypto option, and there, once you select the crypto that you wish to send, you'll have to select the amount, and then you'll be able to enter in the address that you wish to send the crypto to. So you can get the wallet address from another wallet and you can paste it in and you can send the crypto. So this is how you can deposit or withdraw crypto on Bitget Wallet. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.